Greetings. How to make time for your spiritual growth. How to make time for your spiritual growth. What's consuming your time? How to make time to remove the blockages, the negative emotions, the negative energies. How to make time to release the trauma, the bad memories. You're going to understand now how to make time to grow, to expand spiritually. What's consuming your time? Is it the internet? Is it social media? Is it your desires? The things that you have a habit of doing? Are they consuming your time, taking your time away from pursuing your spiritual awakening? Yet, when you have a bad habit, you have to feed it, right? Oftentimes, the habit will ask for a treat, sexual treat, abusive treat, anger treat, jealousy treat, more ignorance treat, feeling of guilt treat, feeling of shame treat. Those are the treats that are preventing you from expanding in consciousness. You have to learn to make time to grow in consciousness, to expand. To go deeper within you. To go deeper within you, you must take the time you are putting into your desires, take the time you're putting into your bad habits, and use that time towards your spiritual growth. Spend less time watching porn, spend less time masturbating, spend less time gossiping, criticizing others, judging others. Spend less time ignoring the cries of your body for relief, relief from pain and suffering, relief from depression and anxiety. Listen to the cries of your body. Make the time, find the time, create the time, and you too will experience the blissful, easeful, free life. Fenol the Great.